Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us see how to do dokla with oats. This will be soft, flavorful and will taste so good. For the recipe you need half a cup of oats. Let us dry roast this for a few minutes until it slightly changes its color. After 2 or 3 minutes of dry roasting, you can switch off the flame and allow it to cool. Once it cools down, you can transfer this into a mixie jar. Now let us powder this as fine as possible. Here is our oats powder. Let us transfer this into a bowl. To this add 3 tablespoons of semolina, that is suji or rava, 3 tablespoons of gram flour or besan, the required amount of salt and a cup of curd. If you don't have curd, you can use yogurt. Now give this a nice mix. The semolina has to become soft, so let us leave this for about 10 minutes. And this is after 10 minutes. We are going to add all the other ingredients: a small piece of chopped ginger, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, few chopped coriander leaves and half a teaspoon of baking soda. If you don't want to use baking soda, you can go for ENO. Give this a nice mix. We are going to add some water and make it thin, so add enough water according to the need. The batter has to be like this. Now take a bowl, grease it with oil. We are going to transfer the batter into this bowl. I'm using olive oil here. If you want, you can go for olive oil or you can use a regular cooking oil. Greasing is over. Now let us pour the batter. Spread a little chili powder on the top. It will give you a nice flavor. Now we are going to steam cook this. Here I am using an electric steamer. If you want, you can use any other steamer. It is your choice. Steam cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes. Our dokla is ready, and another important thing for dokla is tempering. So we are going to do that next. Pour some oil in a pan. To this add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of white sesame seeds, 1 chopped green chilli and few curry leaves. Once the mustard starts popping, you can saute this for about a minute and then you can add a quarter teaspoon of asafoetida, that is hing. Saute this for another 1 or 2 minutes. So here our tempering is ready. Let us take the dokla out and top it with the tempering. So here is our nice soft dokla. You can top it with the tempering now. Now let us cut this into pieces and serve it. Our healthy dokla is ready. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.